Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Craft Keychains is probably one of the most versatile and enjoyable crafting kits available today, offering a fantastic way for creators of all ages to express their artistic flair and produce personalized accessories that are as unique as they are. Whether you're looking to create thoughtful gifts for friends and family, add a personal touch to your own belongings, or even start a small crafting business, this kit provides all the essential components and inspiration needed to bring your keychain visions to life with vibrant colors, diverse materials, and endless design possibilities, making it a perfect choice for hobbyists and aspiring artisans alike. Number 5. 120 PCS Acrylic Keychain Blank Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to create personalized keychains. It comes with a generous supply of blanks, rings, and decorative tassels. Craft with ease using our clear, smooth acrylic blanks. Their perfect size and surface are ideal for carving, drawing, or applying resin for unique designs. Connect your creations effortlessly with these high-gloss metal key rings and jump rings. They provide a secure and stylish way to attach your tassels and blanks. Add a pop of color and flair with our 30 vibrant tassels. Each one features a convenient loop, making them easy to attach to your projects or other items. Let your imagination run wild. These versatile sets are perfect for keychains, bag charms, phone accessories, and a wide array of other DIY crafts and resin art. What we like? This kit offers a fantastic variety for any crafter. It includes everything you need to get started, from the acrylic blanks to the colorful tassels. If you are looking for a comprehensive set to create personalized keychains with vibrant flair, this is an excellent choice. What people say. I use my Cricut maker to customize the acrylic slates. When I run out, I will be repurchasing. Affordable and great quality. It's not flimsy. Thicker than expected. Great set for making keychains. I like that it has open rings for attaching tassels. Colors are nice. Nice size and great value. Thickness seems like it should be sturdy enough to hold up. And they're clear after peeling back the film. These keychains are amazing. Have a protective cover on both sides in order to prevent scratches. Easy to use for simple or more intricate designs. I used vinyl and sealed it in with UV resin and it worked amazing and looked great. Number 4. Teenitor 60 PCS Keychain Rings Bulk. Get a complete set of 60 keychain rings, each with a chain, plus 60 extra jump rings. The main rings are 25mm, perfect for all your crafting needs. These key rings are designed to match any style. They're perfect for organizing your keys or adding a touch of flair to bags and accessories. Crafted from quality silver-tone nickel metal, these rings are built to last. Their smooth finish and sturdy construction can handle daily wear and tear. Assembly is a breeze with these keychains. The chains are separate, making it simple to attach and detach items without any hassle. Unleash your creativity with these ideal rings for DIY projects. They're great for crochet, resin, beaded keychains, and even attaching 3D printed pieces. These versatile rings make wonderful gifts. Share them with friends and family during festivals or special occasions for a personal touch. What we like? This option provides a solid foundation for your keychain projects. The quality metal ensures longevity, and the pre-attached chains make assembly a breeze. If you prioritize durability and ease of use for organizing keys or creating simple, classic accessories, this set is ideal. What people say. The fasteners are super easy to snap in place compared to all the others I've used. They get beat up in my pockets on the daily and I have no had a single one of them fail or break. Worked as intended and have remained sturdy for everyone I gave them to. Number 3. Flasoo 360 PCS Keychain Rings for Crafts. Unleash your creativity with this comprehensive set, perfect for all your DIY endeavors. It includes everything you need to get started on your next masterpiece. You'll receive a total of 360 pieces, including 120 keychain rings with chains, 120 jump rings, and 120 screw-eye pins. This ample supply ensures you have more than enough for any project. The keychain rings measure approximately 1 inch with a 1-inch chain, while the jump rings are 3/8 inch and the screw-eye pins are 5/8 by 1/4 inch. These dimensions are ideal for creating stylish keychain accessories. Crafted from strong and sturdy iron, these findings are built to last. The silver-tone nickel plating gives them a smooth, shiny finish that adds a touch of elegance. Easily attach charms and pendants to these hardware pieces. With the included extra jump rings and screw-eye pins, you have a complete set, eliminating the need for additional purchases. These key rings are perfect for resin crafts, creating personalized keychains for your home or car, lanyards, gifts, and various other art projects. What we like. For those who need a large quantity of versatile findings, this set is a great pick. It comes with all the essential components, including screw-eye pins, perfect for resin crafts. If you're working on numerous DIY projects and need a complete, budget-friendly hardware kit, consider this option. What people say. Excellent keychains, very easy to attach to whatever you want to make into a keychain. Easy to load your keys into, perfect size, and the silver tone is absolutely fantastic. Used with shrinky-dink paper to make keychains. Easy to use. These are great, the jump rings are made of some kind of steel so they're very sturdy. Number 2. 150 PCS Keychain Rings Kit. Crafted from ultra-strong, silver-toned nickel metal, these rings offer a smooth finish and edge. They are designed to enhance the quality of your creations. Each split ring measures approximately 1 inch in diameter with a 1-inch extension chain. The accompanying jump rings are 3/8 inch, and the screw-eye pins are 5/8 by 1/4 inch. This set is perfect for a variety of DIY craft projects. Create custom keychains, lanyards, unique gifts, and more with these versatile supplies. Everything you need is included in this convenient set. Easily attach charms, pendants, or other accessories without the need for additional parts. You'll receive 50 keychain rings with chains, 50 open jump rings, and 50 screw-eye pins. This generous quantity ensures you have enough for all your daily use and craft projects. What we like. This kit is designed for crafters who appreciate quality and a complete set of accessories. The premium metal and included screw-eye pins make it easy to create professional-looking keychains. If you're making gifts or personal items and want a reliable, well-finished hardware set, this is a strong contender. What people say. Came out beautifully. Used dead lighters to make memorial keychains. They were perfect. I made a bunch of perler bead creations that I wanted to turn into keychains. This was a really great buy for that purpose. It comes with everything you need, minus of course the pliers. It was really easy to use. I just put a dab of super glue on the ends that meet so that it doesn't come apart. Other than that, it works great, and is pretty foolproof. We'll be purchasing again. Number 1. Swpeet 40 PCS Pendant Picture Frame Keyrings Kit. This kit includes 40 pendant picture frame keyrings in various shapes like arc rectangle, round, heart, square, and diamond. Each one is perfectly sized for your creations. Crafted from durable, lead-free zinc alloy, these keychain rings are built to last. They are nickel-plated to resist rust and corrosion, ensuring safe and long-lasting use. Unleash your creativity by designing and coloring your own keyrings. They make wonderful personalized gifts for any occasion, allowing you to insert favorite pictures or simply decorate them. Everything you need is included. With swivel snap hooks, key rings, jump rings, and eye pins, you can easily assemble your DIY ornaments and pendants without needing extra parts. These versatile keychain rings are perfect for a variety of DIY projects. Use them to create keychains, backpack ornaments, custom dog collars, zipper pulls, and much more. What we like. This kit is perfect for adding a personal touch to your creations. The unique pendant frames allow for customization with pictures or designs, making each piece truly unique. If you love creating personalized gifts or accessories for bags and backpacks, especially for kids or special occasions, this set offers a fun and creative outlet. What people say. The keychains are made of high-quality metal and are very durable. The kit includes a variety of different shapes and sizes, so there's something for everyone. The clasps are easy to open and close, making it simple to attach and detach keys. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.